Hi, Faith. This is your instructor, Mrs. Travers, and I'm just going to go through. You had emailed me your assignment and wondered why you couldn't hand it in. And I've quickly seen what the problem is. So I just wanted to show you that I'm impersonating you right now. So I'm basically in your account. The first thing is that you shared with me a Google Doc, and I'm seeing here right now that you haven't linked your Google Apps account. So that would be the account that you were given in order to log in. And so when you click on this right here, you need to link your Google account so that if you want to hand in a Google Doc, it accesses it from this widget. So that's the first thing. What I've actually done is I took your document and I've downloaded it. So when you have your document, if you don't want to activate your Google Doc, you need to hand it in as a PDF or even a Word document. So under File, Download, you can choose one of those, download it, and then when you go into your assignments, that's actually how you can submit it. So you just click on your Dropbox, and so when you go into it, if you activate your Google account on that widget on the front page, then when you click Add a File, you'll actually see your Google Drive because it's been attached to your account. It will actually show up in here, but the other option is, if you don't want to do that, that you have to download it to your computer, and then you can actually choose it from your computer from there. So I called it just Activity 1 right there. So I could add it, but I really want you to practice this on your own. If you have any further questions about how to add an assignment or attach an assignment, please don't hesitate to let me know.